Today, we will be installing a stove in our 1980 Albin 43 trawler, which will include demo and install, so sit back and enjoy.
Okay, open our box. Kevin gave us a new stove. Donated to our boat. I was playing with the AI and made that little intro. Leave a comment, let me know what you think about it. It was just something to do one night. Oh, look at that glass top. Nice. There it is. Double fold. 3 burners with a removable grate. We'll pick it up out of the box here for a little bit. Okay, just get a measurement. It needs to be 22. What do we got there? 21 and a half. 21 to the knobs. Perfect. Nice oven in there. Hook up. 1 gas fitting, 2 wires. These are 12 volt. It's for the sparker. I have to go through. Yeah, I think. Yep, there's a. All right. All right, nice size oven. There's the oven control.
Push them in.
Uh-oh. Yeah, I took it off. There we go. Yeah, push it in.
And turn.
And there's from 320, a little bit lower, to 490, 500.
Nice.
High, low on the burners. It's supposed to be the interior light. Yep. Nice. Nice stove. It will fit in our spot. Pretty easy install. First job we'll be using a table saw, a drill driver, pressure wrench, and a set of drill bits. See if we can get the stove out. Alright. This side, gimbal is loose. This side is
yard sale because there's 2 like wicker chairs up here. We don't know who they are, but on the road
well,
it's pretty good.
Top come off.
Top came off. Oh, look at my disgusting stove, huh? Don't look at it. Got it.
Get it?
Yeah. Wow, look at that. Got it. There we go. No electrical wires on this one. That means I have to run 12 volt power up here. Which is very easy, so not that big
Did you run
concern.
from like where that light?
No, we'll go through this wall, down this. Sitting back here holding the cable to the stove. One way.
I think they for Dawn water, and I'm guessing that one's for sugar.
Oh, there's a hole right here already. You run a 12 volt line through there. Down through here, down to the bilge. Back up. Onto this panel right here. We have a bunch of them that aren't being used. 2.5 by 23.5.
we're going to just solve the problem. The operator and we're now actually worried about
the ledger around the board
and pleading for a rescue. El Dorado County locating during a traffic stop. It was dark. Also had the delivery driver, while handing over everything he had, got a good look at the sounds, of the scene, and gave very detailed descriptions of them to his back audience. Anyone can fit any of those descriptions. Many of those residents pieces were delivered. All of those descriptions living at that address. During a subsequent search of the home, the stolen pieces, as well as the bag and evidence, were found, along with the resident charged with 1 hostage street robbery.
but
People to get any number, they actually seem to be taking it as a challenge. At any
what
rate,
I can do, we have so much light.
along to the children's view. And please, like the video. Running away through the yard. Neighbor happened to notice him and alerted police. Arrived a few minutes later and saw him. For all, burglars are rarely but they are. They're not often recognized as such. When they decide to get away from someone's yard.
Right here is about the time I figured I mounted that piece of trim too low for the stove to sit flush with the counters, and I had to take it all back apart and redo it. Gonna help. What's there?
Having a baby is like going to school. One person does all the work, but the whole group.
Alright, that's better.
My wife said no.
Much better. Okay. I'll drive it home.
Is this how you feel? Look, someone's got to be the weather while you're being birthed. You got water. What part of the team? What part of the team? Medium to excellent.
Now you're never coming out.
Look, I ain't
Now with us severe, they ain't coming out. Screw, I couldn't get out, so we have to go this way.
Doesn't get much better than the bronze hills. Because they're still pretty cheap. A lot of these head sales, you'll see them outside of grocery stores, people doing fundraisers, like baseball teams and stuff. $2-3 a bra. That's not bad. And you get your fill up for lunch, for dinner, whatever. Hard only. Just to make ginger ale. You know, it's a protected class that, well, it should be a protected class. They're killing you to make ginger ale, for heaven's sake. Come on.
Get some ginger ale.
Bed one last time before.
Alright. There you go.
Like the internet rage culture. I don't. Yeah, and it's
Alright.
that is so.
Another one to put under here.
So dumb. I hope we go around it.
Got a little raise here. I can deal with it later. Alright, time for another test fit.
It's not every chef. I know some chefs, but not every chef is like this. Sometimes they are. And crazy year for shorties built like this. Shorties
I know this don't fit right now.
This is why I can't see. Hey, wow! Hey! Why are we sharing these though, guys? Well, this is a Sunday special, Sunday episode. There's something for straight months. And the goal is 2%. A top climate scientist is warning that climate change will wipe out all of humanity unless we stop using fossil fuels for the
That's in. Okay, time for wiring. I think that should be enough. This stove is weird. 12 volt. Every time, my whole life, 12 volt black has always been negative. This stove, 12 volt black, is positive. So, I don't know what to think about that.
It's so painful when you see these examples. They will happen. Turn off the TV button. Turn it off. Like a lot of problems, like problems with the scope. That's true. The banking system remains resilient and stable. The banking system.
We used heat shrink butt connectors on this. They have a piece of lead in the middle. You just throw the 2 wires in each end, heat shrink the ends, seal it up, and then you heat shrink the lead and it melts into the wires. They work really nice.
He did write that song, Never Going Back Again. A great song. When the beat drops harder than you expected. How did I miss it? I just started seeing beats pop up. There's another bare mishap where there's a form of beats popping up.
That's what happens, you know. Supposedly, the lead will melt and spread. Pretty good. Yep.